imagine a version of yourself that's confident, empowered, and free. It starts with a single stroke. Are you struggling to find a path to personal growth? It's something we all kind of dream of, right? We love hearing those stories of transformational personal growth. They're so inspiring. Well, let's talk today about how swimming isn't just about your physical health. It's a journey of finding your inner strength, your inner confidence, your inner love for you. Discover how embracing the water can be your first step into transformation. Let's get on the right path, get it in the right order, starting with your foundation and building your transformation from there. Hey swimmers, today I'm going to start with a text that I got from one of our swimmers after we spent the last 3 days working with an amazing human. Well, the truth is everybody I work with, I feel like is an amazing human. I don't know if that's just who we attract or just humans are amazing and I love them. Something like that. Anyways, I just spent the last 3 days working with an amazing human. He flew up. We spent one-on-one time together. This is a person who is in his 50s, never learned to swim, even though he grew up in Southern California and had siblings that could swim. But he just had this sense as a kid, as a young adult, like when he had the opportunities to swim, something just wasn't right about it. He didn't have the sense of, I can do this safely. I don't know how it works. And, it's a bit too much the way it's being presented to me. And so it just wasn't for him. But he made sure, as a lot of people who don't know how to swim, that his kid learned how to swim. And he just came to this point of having this nagging feeling like, all right, I've accomplished so much in my life. And I can go on and do some other big things like physical tasks in terms of I could do a big bike race or I could do bodybuilding or whatever. Like there's lots of different opportunities of things for him to experience and go through. But in the back of his head, it's like, there's this one thing though. I know I can do those other things and they'd be challenging and I'd have to apply myself for sure. But that swimming thing, that thing that everybody seems to just be able to do that I've put off and put aside from. I don't want to regret not doing this any longer. And let me tell you, I'm going to read to you what he sent to me after he went home. I got to put my glasses on though. I was looking at the patch that you gave me just now. At the end of class, I gave him a little special thing to remind him of our time together. And a wave of emotion kind of rolled over me. I had to close my eyes and compose myself. Maybe tears of joy. I remember when we were working in the water together, and I present the idea that we do things that are fun for ourselves. This helps us know where to move forward. And he always is like, yeah, whatever. I'm not necessarily here to have fun. I'm here to work and to learn and to get this thing down. But there was a moment when we were underwater in the deep end, and he looks over at me and he smiles and he's like, oh, that was fun. This opening of, oh my gosh, not only could I learn to swim, I could actually have fun here. It doesn't have to be all this work. So that was a real moment for me and for him in the water. So as he's reflecting, a wave of emotion kind of rolled over me. I had to close my eyes and compose myself, maybe tears of joy. It's like I changed myself and all of my old regrets, negative energy are draining out. And a door of a new world is now open. Such a glorious feeling, stronger and more confident at peace. Thank you for unlocking the door for me and showing the way. It just gets me right now. Right here with him. And all of my beautiful, amazing students. The ones that I've had in the past, the ones we have right now, and you, our future ones. Swimming in the water holds amazing possibility for you. You are invited You are invited one tiny foundational step at a time to bring about this transformational moment for you to open yourself up, trying something new, something hard, and something you are meant to be successful at. We are here with open arms, ready to jump in that pool together. I can't wait to see you on your next step. Bye.